This is the first step, company creation and master creation. First step in Tally is you have to create a company setup and configuration according to your company requirement. In this chapter we will discuss the above video demo for the below topics: company creation, ledger, group, stock items and stock units like cages, bags, etc. So what you do is minimize this, go to here, double click on Tally icon, wait for a minute. Now go to here, company creation. Company creation means you have to create a company so that you can start to enter the data house. Go to enter here, Ramu and Co. (2010). Here enter the name of the country. Here you can select the state, name of the state. You can enter this pin code number 4. That's all. This is finished. Company creation is like this. Now go to here, accounting features. Say accounting features, accounting, yes, like this. You set up all these setups. Then go to here, inventory features. Go to here, maintain multiple godowns, yes, like this. Then go to statutory reports. Here you have to say yes for VAT. Then this also yes, Tamil Nadu here. Here you have to enter your TIN number, your company's TIN number. That's all. Now how to create the ledger I will explain. Go to here, accounting info, ledgers, create. Already I have created, just you see, ABC and Co. ABC and Co. This is sundry creditors. Maintain bill-wise bills, yes. That's all. Then building is the fixed assets. That's all. Now car is the fixed account. That's all. Electricity is an indirect expense. Cash account, cash only. Freight is direct expense. Input VAT is duties and taxes. It's a tax on purchases. VAT 12.5%. That's all. Output VAT, duties and taxes, VAT classification is output VAT. Office expenses is indirect expense. Now purchase ledger. Purchase comes under group purchases. Inventory values affected, yes. VAT returns, yes. That's all. Then rent account is indirect expense. Salaries, salaries is indirect expense. Sales, sales is sales account. VAT, yes. VAT classification is sales 12.5%. XYZ is the customer ledger. Maintain bill wise bill. Okay, here enter the customer tin number, sale tax number. That's all. Now now this is stock ledger is over. Now group accounting groups, that is account info group. Example, say area wise debtors like Ambattur debtors. That means that Ambattur surrounding debtors, that customers will treated as Ambattur debtors. Here under comes sundry debtors. That's all. We will create one ledger, that is discount received account. This comes under indirect incomes. Discount allowed or given. This comes under indirect expenses. That's all. Now stock, that is inventory info. How to create stock item, units, etc. First you need to create unit, that is numbers. Go to here, inventory info, unit of measures. Already I have created. See this numbers. How to create is just NOS type as. Here decimal point is 0 because it's not a liters and kgs. That's all. Now stock groups, I have created two groups, that is inventory info, stock items, stock groups. I have created two, that is computer spares and TV. How I have created is name here under computer spares, primary, quantity to be added, yes. That means computer spare means hardware, hard disk, monitor, and processor, RAM, whatever the spares comes under computer spares. Now TV I have given one group name TV. Here, yes. Here you can enter that Sony, Vonida, whatever. Now items, inventory info, stock items. Here you have to create means ingada create pannano. You have to create here. Already I have created. See just hard disk under computer spares. It's a computer spare, yes. Here numbers, that's all. Now monitor is the computer spares. That units means numbers or pieces, whatever. Window TV 17 inches. This comes under group TV. That's also, that measure of units is numbers. Like this, Sony TV 14 inches. That's also TV, comes as numbers. Now this is over. Now go down. How to create the go downs? go to here, inventory info, go downs. Already I have created. Here you have to create that create. Already I have created. See one more I will create. Stores. You can here main location. That's all. I have created three, that is showroom, go down. Showroom, one mistake is here. Showroom, go down. Main location. Storage, go down. Like that. Now this is first chapter is over. We'll go to next chapter is purchase and sales. Now the lesson is sales and purchase entries. We will discuss how to enter this sales and purchase entries. Go to tally. Here sales and purchase, payment receipts, contra journals, everything you have to enter in accounting vouchers only. So go to accounting vouchers. After that you click here purchase F9. This is the purchase. Now say the supplier's number 0025 225, say supplier name is ABC and Co. Enter. Here this is purchase, say hard disk. Go down, showroom, go down, say showroom, say 10 numbers, say 2000 per piece, 20,000. And one more item, monitors. Enter the monitors, say enter here storage, go down, 5 pieces, each 3500. Enter one more item, that is Sony TV, storage, go down, 10 piece, each 6000. Now Sony TV, 2 pieces, says 7000. After that leave one line blank, so enter here, again enter. Here you can enter the tax ledger, say input tax 12.5%. Automatically it comes. Being purchase computer spares and TV from ABC and Co. That's all. The purchase voucher is finished. Now go to sales. How to enter the sales is, go to accounting vouchers, click here sales F8. Here enter XYZ is the customer name. Enter. Here sales account, say yes, sales account 12.5%. Hard disks or 5 panla, we can select 5 numbers, 10 numbers we have, so 5 numbers. Hard disks 3000. each. Then monitors, say storage go down, this stock is in storage go down, say here two numbers, this is 55. Then TV storage go down, the stock is in storage go down, say six numbers, 6500. Then Sony TV showroom, two numbers, sell out, total 7500 per piece. That's all. Now here you can enter one more, otherwise enter, just press on enter. Here tax ledger, use output tax, sale tax is output tax. You can enter here narration, sale of computer spares and TVs. That's all. That's enough. Sales and purchase is over. Let us see how it will reflects. Display, trial balance, press F5, ledger wise. CO ABC and Co is 1,25,000, that is we have purchased, so that is showing credit balance. Here input VAT, that is tax on purchase, input tax, this is 13,000. Then here output VAT means say tax on sales, this is 10,000. This is the purchase value, this is the sales value. XYZ is the customer we have sold to 90,000 value. That's all. Now sales purchase chapter is over. Like this you have to enter this sales and purchase entries. We will go to next chapter. The next chapter is payment and receipt. We will discuss here how to enter the payments and how to enter the receipts. Go to tally, escape, this is the gateway of tally. Go to accounting vouchers, say payment, this is the payment. So supplier we will give one payment entry, that is first of all we have to create one bank account. Escape here, go to accounting info, ledgers, create ICICI bank. Bank account comes under bank accounts, don't forget, it's a very important. After this go to accounting vouchers, payment, go to here payment, enter here account means when we give the payment through check, here enter the bank name, enter here ICICI bank, enter ABC account is the supplier we have purchased, so that we have to give payment, say 50,000 for this bill number, paid ICICI bank check number 00251. That's all. This payment, this is the single entry mode. we can enter the how to enter in double entry mode. I will tell you. Go to here, configuration, single entry mode, say no. That's all. Here the earlier we have first we have entered the bank account, then supplier account. Here will be reverse. That means first enter the supplier name ABC, say 50,000, say 45,000 for this bill number. 2, here ICICI Bank, paid, check number 42. Now we will discuss the receipt entry. How to enter the receipts. Escape, go to here, accounting vouchers, then here you see F6 is receipt. This is to whom you are paying the money. So here enter the customer name is the XYZ. So 90,000 we sold, debit the receiver, credit the giver, so giver is the XYZ, he is giving the check, say 35,000. Go to here, bank. So when the customer give check, you are going to deposit into bank. Deposited, Canara Bank, check number 0. This is double entry mode. Single entry mode, how to enter, let us see. Go to here, you can enter either single entry mode or double entry mode, no problem, but it should be enter exactly, that's all. Go to here, bank, XYZ, 10,000 for this bill number. Received Canara Bank, check number 11. Here the narration how it will comes automatically means, here just narration field, press Ctrl R, that's all. Now the payment receipt is over, and one more payment we will enter. Go to payment, bank account, say freight, say rent 10,000, paid rent by check. Here you can enter that number, ICICI Bank, check number, say whatever, that's all. Now payment and receipt entry is over. Next lesson is contra entry. How to enter the contra entry, let us see. Go to accounting in vouchers, go here, contra. While we are depositing the amount into bank, here enter the bank name ICICI Bank. Here cash 25,000. Enter here being amount deposited to ICICI Bank. That's all. Now when we withdraw the cash from bank, here enter the cash account, here bank account. That's all. 15,000 being cash withdrawn from ICICI Bank. That's all. This is the single entry mode. Double entry mode, enter to credit. When we make the deposit, enter here credit 10,000. Okay, let it be. Here by ICICI Bank. Here debit the receiver, credit the giver. Cash credit, bank account debit. Being cash deposited to ICICI Bank. When we withdraw cash, here comes bank account 10,000, say 11,000. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Here when we withdraw the cash, cash will come in, that is debit. Bank account will be credit. Cash withdrawn from ICICI Bank account. That is the narration. This is the contra. Then bank to bank, how to transfer we will see. Create one more bank account. Here enter bank account as Canara Bank OCC account. This comes OCC account. This is OD account. Go to here, funds transfer. This is Canara Bank OCC 2,50,000. ICICI Bank. Being amount transferred from Canara Bank OCC account. That's all. This is contra entry is finished. Dear friends, in this video clip I am going to explain how to enter purchase entry, sales entry, receipt entry, payment entry, then journal entry, all in one video. Let us go for tally. Here I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 transactions. First of all, you have to create one company that is called Raj Kumar Brothers. and enter these following transactions. Now let's go to tally educational mode. Now create company. Here Rajkumar company there is no. So create company Rajkumar and brothers BROS. Say India Tamil Nadu. Say here financial starting from 1 4. So books begin from these also 1 4. Now here see here I marked with red color, that is you have to create one purchase ledger. Then Samsung mobile, this is the stock item name. Here Sangeeta mobiles is a Sunday creators. You are buying the product, that is Sunday creator. Here Sam Brothers. Sam Brothers is a Sunday debtor. This is credit sales. First one is purchased Samsung mobile 100 numbers from Sangeeta mobiles, each 5000 plus tax 5%, that is input tax. Now here sales Samsung mobiles 95 numbers, each 5500 input output, this is output tax. Output tax. Output tax 5%. So this is the purchase entry and this is sales entry, because you are selling the products to Sam Brothers. This is received a check from Sam Brothers. So this is receipt entry. Check paid to Sam Brothers. Sam Brothers. This is the payment, and this discount means that is you have to enter a journal entry. This is also sales, cash sale entry. So first of all, you have to create one purchase entry on Samsung mobile, that is stock item name, and Sangeeta mobiles under group Sunday creator, sales account under group sales, Sam Brothers under group Sunday debtor. Now let's go. First of all, create ledgers, account info ledgers. We'll create all in one. Per purchase account under group purchase, sales account under group sales account. Then Sangeeta mobiles. Sangeeta mobiles. We are buying material from this Sangeeta mobile, so this is sundry creator. Then Shyam Brothers. Shyam Brothers, you are selling the mobiles to Shyam Brothers, so this is sundry debtor. This is the customer. Then tax, then tax on purchase is called input tax. Then purchase on sales is output tax. So create input VAT under group duties and taxes. Output VAT under group duties and taxes. Then cash account. Cash account already is there, you don't want to create. Then what are all the else? Discount given. DSU, discount given. This is indirect expense or direct expense. Direct expense. That's it. If any required, I will tell you how to create the ledgers. Then one more, this company, Ram Kumar and Brothers is having the bank account with the State Bank of India. State Bank of India. So this is bank accounts. Finish. Now we will go for first transaction 1 4 2013. Say here 1 4 2013. First transaction is purchased. So purchase entry. Purchase. Say here the purchase number. Say example 25. This is a purchase invoice number. I entered this 0025. So here Sangeeta Mobiles, purchase account. Purchase account we have to enable tax. So here how to alter this ledger is control plus enter. Purchase accounts. Here I have not. Let's okay. And here name of the item. There is no item here, so you have to create. So here press Alt C. Samsung mobiles. Say this is Samsung mobiles. Units. This is numbers. So create numbers. Alt C. Numbers. Okay, fine. Now 100 numbers, 5000 each. 100,000. Now input tax. Input tax we better to use auto calculation. So go to purchase, then the F11 features, statutory F3. Enable VAT, yes. Yes. Say here you can enter the VAT number. Say 3325. Purchase under VAT returns, yes. Purchase account 5%. And okay. This also better to alter because when you enter input VAT, automatically it will be calculated. So press Ctrl Enter to alter this ledger. Use VAT. Okay. Input VAT 5%. That's it. So this purchase entry is over. Now sales entry. Samsung Mobile to Sam and Brothers. Go here, sales. Date is the same date. Sam Brothers. Sales account. This also enable VAT. Yes. Sales 5%. Samsung mobiles 95 numbers, 5500 each. Output VAT. Output VAT also you have to use auto calculation, so alter this ledger. Control Enter. VAT returns, output VAT, output VAT 5%. That's it. So sales also finished. Now received a check from Sam Brothers. See, the company Rajkumar collected check from Sam Brothers, so they have they want to deposit into their bank account. So go here and go to tally and enter this in receipt entry. Receipt. So when we give check, they are going to deposit in their bank account. Their bank account is State Bank of India. Sam Brothers. How much? 548 625. 25 for this bill. 548 625. 548 625. So here enter check number. They give check, say example 22561. Check number. Wide. So here the check number you can enter. So we can use here 225 220. Received check from Sam Brothers. Okay, now the check we have deposited into State Bank of India. Now this Rajkumar and Brothers is paying check to Sagita Mobiles. Sagita Mobiles. Sorry. Sagita Mobiles. Sagita Mobiles. 5,25,000. So enter this entry in payment entry. So State Bank of India. From State Bank of India, they are going to pay the payment to Sangeeta Mobiles. 525. Paid check. You can enter the check number. State Bank of India check number 55662221. Paid check to Sangeeta Mobiles. And now here Sam Brothers, okay, this is not necessary because of we have paid fully amount. So we can delete this. Delete row. Cash sales. 3 numbers mobile. 3 mobiles. Go to sales. Say here cash. Sales account. Samsung mobile. 3 numbers. 5500. Output VAT. 825. 17,325. Okay. Cash sale of mobiles. 3 numbers. This is over. Now here they stock 2 numbers damaged. We will verify the stock balance. Display, inventory, stock item, Sangeeta Mobile. Say 100 rupees, 100 numbers as purchased, 98 has been sold. Then 2 numbers is the balance. This 2 is damaged. How to enter this damaged entry? Go here, inventory vouchers, consumption. When the stock shortage, you have to enter in consumption source. When when it becomes excess, you can enter here this side. Samsung Mobile 2 numbers. So this is actually damage. There is no value for damage. Being stock damaged. Now see the stock position. Display, inventory box, stock item, Samsung Mobile. Narration. Yes. See here stock damage. So closing balance is 0. Now we will see the VAT, how much has to pay. Go here, VAT competition, 1950 has to pay. How to enter VAT payment entirely I will tell you. 1950, 1950, 1950. This is you have to enter in payment vouchers. Go here, gateway of tele accounting vouchers, then payment, a payment only, state payment, VAT payment, autofill to adjust 142 35 5. So this is output. Output VAT is 26,950. Input VAT is minus. This is okay. Not applicable. Check deposit date. Say 1/5. Branch SBI. Check number 5522556661. Say here you can enter that check number. Okay. Now display statement of accounts VAT. 15 14215. Now go here, display account group, duties and taxes 0. Input VAT 25,000. So this is paid. Output VAT. Okay. That's it. So in this video we have discussed the purchase entry, how to enter purchase entry, how to enter sales entry, how to enter receipt entry, and how to enter payment entry, and how to enter the damaged stock. Also I explained how to enter the VAT payment. See VAT payment, how I have entered this is input VAT payment F12 single entry no. So here output VAT is credit. When you raise sales invoice, output VAT will credit, and input VAT when you enter purchase entry, input VAT will be debit. So that we have given credit. So output VAT already we have this credit, so that we have given the debit. Output VAT we have given the credit. Input VAT is showing debit balance, so that we have given the given credit 25,000. So the balance amount is 1950 credit to the State Bank of India. That's it. Here you can enter the check number 556 or whatever 446621. That's it. How to view the ledger report? Go here, say discount given, nothing. Purchase entry 5 lakh, sale 5 lakh 39,000. Sangeeta mobile. Purchase entry is 5 lakh 25,000. Payment has given 5 lakh 25,000. Okay, my dear friends, whatever you have any doubts, you can mail me at tallyprofessor@gmail.com. Note down my email ID: tally tally professor at gmail.com. We can prepare videos as whatever you have doubts. According that we will charge. So our charges is per video 300 to 400. That is depends on your queries. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. From this video clip you are going to learn how to enter journal entry for assets. Go here, accounting vouchers. Say create one ledger called depreciation. Alt C to create new one. Depreciation account. Under group indirect expense. Now computer value is 39,900 into 30%. Control N, 39,900 into 30 by 100. Say 11,970. 11,970 being depreciation on computer 30% on rupees 39,900. Okay, now outstanding expense. I will tell you how to enter the outstanding expense. Because this March telephone bill will pay in April, so that March expense you have to take into in March expenses. Go to here, telephone expenses account 250, outstanding expenses 250 being taken telephone expense into current month. Okay, this is over. Now I will tell you one more example for journal entry. The supplier given discount, how to enter? Say display account ledger RAM enterprises. Say RAM enterprises, from RAM enterprise we have purchased 23,250, value for 23,250. For this we have paid 23,000. The balance 250 is the discount. So debit to this 250, because credit is 23,250. When we give 250 debit to his account, this account will be clear. Then one more account, that credit goes to discount received account. So go for this journal entry, RAM enterprises 250. Here create a discount received account, alt C, create new one, discount received account. Say indirect income, don't want to cost center, so no, 250, being received discount from RAM enterprises for invoice number 125 5. That's all.